Hello friends, welcome back. Today, I will show you how you can pin any app on your Android phone so that no one can see your other apps on your mobile if you give your mobile to somebody. This is very simple to do. Let's move directly to my mobile screen. First of all, open the settings page on your device. Then, on the settings page, simply search for App Pinning. Once it appears, click on it to go inside, and then click on this toggle button to start app pinning. Also, click on this toggle button to enable it. This means that if somebody is somehow able to unpin the pinned app, the screen will be locked immediately. Now, go back to the mobile home screen from here and then open any app that you want to pin. After opening the app that you want to pin, simply go to the overview or the recent section and then click on the three dots. Now, as you can see, the pin option is showing, so simply click on it and then click OK here. Now, finally, your app is pinned. Now it's time to show you how you can unpin the pinned app. To do this, just press and hold the recent and back buttons at the same time. As you can see, the mobile is locked and your app is unpinned. This is how you can pin and unpin an app on your device. If you found this video useful, then please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a good day.